So this is the application I made exactly. So it has simple Google Auth login. It's in test mode right now, so it shows this. I'll log in. I had to enable all the APIs to use it basically. Once I have logged in, there is this option to sync Workspace. Right now, I've already synced in a Workspace, so it does not. It's not needed. What it does is it creates these workspace chunks based on the last 30 emails, last 30 elements and latest 30 elements in Drive and Calendar. Based on that, it creates workspace chunks, and based on those chunks, it creates items because one single workspace item can have multiple chunks, obviously. Based on this, it we can just simply create this, where this is exactly one of the prompts that I ran. Here it's I asked it. I gave it a very detailed prompt, like what exactly to do to schedule this for 2nd of August. Simply schedule one more event for 1st of August. This email, and this is the time and duration and all that stuff. Another simple details. Why it's doing that. Also, this is exactly how it executed previously, where every single detail it shows all the details regarding what tools were used and what exactly details were used. Since this was a very detailed prompt, it did not need me to have any other details in it. Another thing I could do is I could give it a very simple, less detailed prompt. Here I can also choose between two models. Since I'm using three models, I had to add another model just to make it so that um, just as a fallback option. Here it asks me for all these details. Since if I do not approve all of them, there is not exactly a point, though I can add that as well. I just added an approve all option to simply approve all these things. It will check for whichever details it has to approve, like the invitation and all those details. It will check that and add them. So as it says, yeah, so it says everything has been completed. So I'll probably get an email. This is the email I've connected. This, yeah, and this is the calendar. Sorry. So 1st of August, it created this event. Um, but it's yeah, so it sends an email as well. It extracts the resume link, which is already available in my drive. It's my resume itself. Um, it extracts that and sends that as well. Now, this was for prompts that have all the necessary details. It just checks for those information. So we tested this on a prompt which has sufficient context, and it worked well on that. Let's check this on a prompt which has less context. So it's basically send a mail to Charlie Nusha, but it knows that there are multiple emails already existing for Charlie Nusha. It's just asking, clarifying which one to send it to. So let's say I send it to this one, 02. So it's approving that. Let's approve this, and we can just simply send that. Mhm. So an email is sent simply. There it is. It's the email as well.